Welcome to New York City.
Okay, I'm just kidding. That's actually just a green screen behind me. But you and I will be together soon in New York City on Broadway for APCA's Leadership on Broadway Experience, where we are going to get to experience New York City's finest. Its finest pizza, its finest skyscrapers, its finest naked cowboy. New York City is known for its energy, and what I'm excited to train you on is how you can bring that same energy back to your campus. I want to show you how you can create a campus atmosphere that's buzzing with excitement, where students feel welcome, connected, and engaged, and you don't feel tired, frustrated, and annoyed in doing so. Picture this. You wake up in the morning, you're bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, you're ready to conquer the world. You step onto your campus and you're greeted with smiles and high fives and an undeniable sense of enthusiasm because your meetings are productive, your events are packed, and you are celebrated for your effort. Sound like a dream, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that this dream can become a reality. I'm going to be running the student engagement track during this conference, and I'm going to introduce you to several concepts. One of them is going to be the engagement pyramid. I'm also going to give you specific tactics on how you can engage the disengaged students on your campus. I'm going to be showing you how to manage your own state when you're tired, frustrated, and annoyed. You can still pull yourself together and run your event or meeting successfully. And by the way, we are going to have a ton of fun in the process. Oh, and advisors. I'm also going to be working with you as well to talk about how you could build what we call a culture of connection on your campus, where every student feels welcome, feels connected, and feels engaged. If that sounds good to you, can I get just like a really loud cheer? I can't actually hear you. So my fellow student leaders and advisors, are you ready to transform your campus? If so, I'll see you in New York City on July 25th to the 27th. That is, if you can get past the naked cowgirl in Times Square. See you there.